A very good afternoon. I am Dr. Kirti Nahar, consultant gynecologist at Apollo Hospitals, Ahmedabad. I would like to share with you my experience that whenever a patient comes in OPD and she is second time pregnant, she is confused and apprehensive as her first pregnancy was difficult. There were some complications. She is either working, there is nobody to look after the baby, and she doesn't want to go through it all over again. Many a times, patient and her husband don't want second pregnancy at all. They are happy with one child and they want to go for medical termination of pregnancy. So let's talk with one of my patient, Tanya Saraf, who has recently delivered with us, and let's see what was her reaction when she came to know that she is pregnant, how she coped with it, and her overall experience in second time pregnancy. Tanya, she has just delivered with us by cesarean 15 days back. So Tanya, I would like to ask you a few questions. So what was your experience as a second time mom this time?
Second time process was comparatively very smooth from the first one. In the first one, you have many questions, you have many dilemmas and everything.
Okay.
But for the second one, you get a little prepared. For me, it was a little difficult on the initial phase also.
Okay.
Because it was a very early second pregnancy. So I had called you for the concern and I was like, "Okay, it is too early. I don't think I can do it right now." You were like, take a deep breath for 2 hours and come see me and then we'll decide what we have to do. Okay, I took a deep breath. I talked to my husband, I talked to my family members, and then we went to see the doctor. We came to see you. And you were like, see, it's the right time, there's no problem, you're physically also fine. Seeing all the scenarios, and you were like, it is good if you take it right now. If you want the second one, it is a very right moment to do it.
Yeah.
So don't give a second thought to that. Be happy, stay happy, and everything will be fine. So after talking to you, I got a little confidence. My husband also got the confidence. We then mutually decided, okay, let's go for it. And then we came.
And the whole pregnancy was smooth one?
Yes, it was very smooth.
And you got support from your family?
Yes, there's a family. Initially, we asked them only, is it fine or it is not?
Yeah.
So, but they were more concerned for the health rather than the baby.
Okay.
When you gave the go for the health issue, then everything went on very nicely. There was no issue.
Okay.
In fact, the health issues for the first one were more difficult. For the second one, since we were prepared more, so it was very smooth and very nicely done.
Okay. Tanya, when were you mobilized this time? Can you compare it with your first delivery?
Okay, for the first one, I was very scared. They ask you to stay on your bed for 24 hours. And after that, when they ask you to stand up or even recline yourself or move around, it is very difficult.
Yeah.
And I was very scared. I could just see my tummy that time. It was all bloated. And I was
You
very
were more apprehensive that time. Okay.
So I was very scared to turn around, to even stand up or do anything.
Okay.
But it happened. It eventually happened in the first one also, but with a lot of pain, with lot of reluctance. I don't want to do it right now. Can we wait for a few more hours, something like that. For the second one, I was waiting for the 24 hours to get over, and I was waiting for the doctor to come and tell me just get up. I was just prepared. Okay, where are the nurses? Where is the doctor? I want to stand up. I want to move on my own. Because when you get up, you feel very relieved. Ekdam se your tummy feels comfortable. You feel comfortable, which I got to know once I stood up for my first one. So for the second one, I was like, come on, get up. I want to do it. I want to walk around.
So you were, I think you were already motivated and you knew what is going to happen.
Yes.
So how would you grade your pain level?
For the first
in the first one and in this one.
For the first one, the pain was actually a lot.
Okay.
Maybe I have no other pain experiences, so I felt that pain to be like from 1 to 10, I would rate it 15, 20 only. For the second time, it was hardly 4, 5 because you knew, okay, it's gonna pain here only. It's gonna pain here only. Baki, all your body parts are gonna be fine. Just a little pain here, a little pain there.
Okay.
So in the second one, it was very smooth, very comfortable. In fact, the nurses who were there, who were helping me, they were like,
Okay.
okay, are you comfortable? Can we leave you? And I was like, just leave me. I can walk around now. I'm very
Okay.
comfortable that way.
Okay.
So second time the pain level is very less because you are mentally very much prepared. And for the first one, if you are prepared initially, it is good. Then you won't feel the pain which I was feeling at that time. But within half an hour, that pain, you understand that pain and you feel like, why was I shouting? Why was I screaming at that time that it is paining so much, paining so much? So the second time it is more smooth, but first time you're mentally more stressed.
Okay.
So
I think we should tell our patients that never go and never be worried about second delivery. Sometimes patients are so apprehensive
Yeah.
that they don't want to conceive because they had so much of pain and trouble in the first pregnancy. They never want to conceive again. So there goes a right message to all the patients that please conceive. And I think if you are already prepared for it,
Yeah.
that is.
So initially I would
it's
say
so easy, isn't it?
Yeah. Initially I used to tell people the first 3 days of hospitals are very difficult, very difficult. But with my second pregnancy, I would say only the time when you are resting is in the hospital for the 3 days.
Yeah, that's great.
You should enjoy those 3 days because when you're home, you have to get back to working. You have no other option over there.
Okay.
There you have such nice staff, nice doctors, everyone to take care of you. You should get, I would say you should use them for your.
I'm really happy to know that all the staff are so good and
they-
you got a good support at Apollo.
Yes,
Okay.
everything was very nice, from food, from the nurses, from the peon, the person who was cleaning the room, from the billing staff, admission staff, everyone was very nice. So it is better enjoy those 3-4 days in the hospital. You shouldn't worry about those days at all.
Tanya, can you explain your level of anxiety and stress in both the pregnancies?
For the first one, being a first time mom,
Yeah.
it is very stressful.
Yeah.
The word which I heard was postpartum depression, which I could actually feel during the first month when
Okay.
you're not able to do anything. At that time, you don't feel your body to be yourself.
Okay.
And initially, I was so scared for the baby, for myself. Like looking at my body for the first month, I used to feel, who is this person? I don't know this person. And looking at the baby, if the baby sneezes, if the baby is not pooping for a day, all these small issues were creating so
Yeah.
much stress. And
Yeah.
calling the doctor, taking more stress. The doctor gets stressed. So thinking about all the medicines. The worst thing, googling on your phone, what would happen about this? So all these things for the first pregnancy.
And I
was very
felt that you were
difficult.
more relaxed this time.
Yes,
है ना?
this time it was very different and very easygoing. I wasn't worried about anything. I looked at myself, I was like, fine, in 6 months I'll be back to normal. Looking at the baby, come on, you'll grow up, you'll understand things. Today is different, the next day is gonna be better than today anytime.
Okay.
So I was very much prepared and there is no stress, no anxiety, all prepared.
Okay.
And I have to take care of the other baby as well with the second one.
Yeah.
But still that is not creating any stress because the first one is already getting used to other people. She's already growing on her own. I just
Yeah.
have to take care about the circle one. So it is easy for me.
Plus, there
There's
is a
no-
family support.
Yeah. My family is there, my husband is there, so
Yeah.
there is no problem.
And
about it.
what was your overall experience of Apollo Hospitals, Ahmedabad?
Apollo, I would recommend Apollo to anyone because it was very comfortable for me here.
Okay.
From coming to see a doctor to coming to see you, and you're recommending me everything, what can be done,
Okay.
where and how can it be done.
Hmm.
From there to making my admission process easy, my sonography easy, everything easy, and the support which you get here from the nurses, as I told you before, the nurses, the doctors, they are 24/7 there for you. You can call them anytime, you can ask what's your problem, and I didn't even think about anything. Even at 11 o'clock, I used to just message my doctor, I have these issues. Whenever you are free, please revert back to me. The doctor very nicely, she used to very nicely explain me the thing, and then you don't have the stress which usually we are worried about. कि अब इसका जवाब कौन देगा, इसका जवाब कौन देगा. So overall, the experience here is fabulous. The food is very nice in the hospital, like which you don't usually
Yeah,
find in
that's
other
true,
hospitals.
that's true.
So the food is very nice.
Yeah.
Nurses, the peons, everyone, they always have a smile on their face. They greet you so well. Like when you leave the hospital, you feel like, oh, you're missing out something here. You don't want to go. You create a family here in just 3 days. So that is
So,
a very
Tanya, any message that you would like to give?
I would recommend, since these days there's a nuclear family system going on, if possible and if you're comfortable, you should go for your second pregnancy. Since I'm very happy with it, and I think for the future also it will be good for you. Don't get scared with the first one. The second one is gonna be a boon to you. It's gonna make you very comfortable and very easy for you.
Okay, thank you.
you.
It was nice
Thank
to talk to you, Tanya.
Thank you so much.
And we were so happy to learn about your experience. And I think it will be a message to our other patients, and they would plan pregnancy and they will certainly continue the pregnancy. Okay. So, friends, I feel this conversation will be of some help to you. As a doctor and as a parent myself, I feel there is so much to deliberate when it comes to having a second child. If you are mentally prepared, you will be more confident, and then you can have a smooth pregnancy. Moreover, you will enjoy your pregnancy and can have a healthy baby.